जी.
Yes.
Okay, Pratik, what is Be-Intaha to you?
Be-Intaha, limitless.
Yes.
It could be an expression of so many things, man. Ma'am, limitless is uh, it's such a deep word.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
asked.
So limitless love, limitless pain,
Yeah.
limitless
Anguish.
anguish, limitless dreams. It's a beautiful word.
Yeah.
बहुत खूबसूरत
शब्द है,
लफ्ज है,
लफ्ज
शब्द है.
है.
जी जी.
और Pratik has seen it all. So how would you define it, you know?
I have not seen it all, ma'am.
I mean, no, whatever, in an early age, you've seen so much that
Yes,
has made you a proper man even before
yes, ma'am.
you grow old, and we are so happy about
Yes,
it.
yes,
So
ma'am.
that way I asked, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Thank
young
you.
Pratik is so learned so many values in life
Yes, yes,
with his
ma'am.
own experience,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
that's so good.
Absolutely, ma'am. I think, but I think all of us have our own unique journeys. I
Yeah.
think some of us uh, experience hardships at a very young age. Sometimes sometimes people go through hardships. Everyone has a time, and I
Yeah.
think किसी की जिंदगी स्मूथ सेलिंग हो ही नहीं सकती है, मैम.
बिल्कुल
ताकि
भी.
वो चाहे वो जितने भी आप सक्सेसफुल या फेमस या पैसे कमाने वाले हो, आई थिंक हार्डशिप्स आते ही हैं.
Exactly.
एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स यू स्ट्रॉन्गर, मैम. आई थिंक बट जस्ट नोइंग कि यार ये भी दिन चले जाएंगे, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. बस ये थॉट लेके पॉजिटिव रह के अपना काम करो, रिस्पेक्टफुल रहो, हम्बल रहो, बड़ों की इज्जत करो, औरतों की इज्जत करो. Be the best version of yourself.
Yeah.
I think that's very important, ma'am. And I think the hardships आएंगी, but I think if you continuously strive to be the best version of yourself, तो फिर वो hardships भी
Smooth sailing.
स्मूथ सेलिंग हो जाते हैं. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैम.
And who better an example than Pratik Babbar? Humble, be it obedient, be it so confident and smooth sailing and
Thank
doing
you, ma'am.
so well, and
Thank you,
now
ma'am.
doing this,
Yes.
you know. This is your second or first video?
This is my second or third.
Third video.
I have done a Punjabi song
Yes,
also.
I
It's a very
remember.
lovely.
So I asked you.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Very lovely song by Shreya, actually. Shreya sang it. इसमें गाना नीति मोहन ने गाया है और देव नेगी जी ने गाया है. This, as we know, ma'am, this is it's a remake of तेरे दर पे सनम. उस टाइम तो तेरे दर पर सनम था.
तेरे दर पे.
इस पे थोड़ा पर को पे कर दिया है. तो this is तेरे दर पे सनम, but it's the same song, but remastered, refined, उसको नया fusion दिया है, modern twist दिया है. I think it's a lovely song.
The poster looks amazing, you know. What a good idea of showing the girl also, giving her the equal importance like the hero.
Absolutely.
And both of them with a good portrait.
Absolutely, yes.
How happy both of you all were after seeing the poster? Because usually, you know, women don't get that much of footage, you know, even on the posters. They go missing.
They
go missing.
I said, thank God, I have not been a part of projects like this my entire career, actually.
Yeah.
I maybe क्योंकि obviously ये मेरा खुद का डिसीजन नहीं है कि पोस्टर पे क्या जाए, but प्रोड्यूसर्स डिसीजन होता है. बट लकीली फॉर मी, मैम, इट्स माय लक कि मैं ऐसे कभी प्रोजेक्ट में था नहीं जहाँ पे मुझे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया है या औरतों को ज्यादा. It's always been equal playing ground. सारे पोस्टर्स में सारे मैं भी हूँ, औरत भी हैं,
nice,
एक्ट्रेस भी हैं. No, I think, but I think it's very important, ma'am, to if and today, ma'am, the actresses are as big as the heroes.
Obviously.
The heroines hero ही बन गए आजकल. I think वो कंगना जी ने वो ट्रेंड शुरू किया है.
Yeah, carrying the film on her
shoulders and a heroine actually being a hero. तो आज तो अब तो वो कहाँ बात आगे पहुँच गई है. There's so many women leading shows and films, and women are getting paid more, and
I don't think.
Yes,
parity is still existing.
100%, ma'am. But sure, if you have a superstar coming into the scenario, 100%. Yeah. But I feel like if there is more performance-centric projects.
Yeah, better than earlier days, like
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
I was talking to Vidya, so she said, "Why should you ask that it is a women-driven film?" It's a film of an actor.
Absolutely.
I mean, we should not bifurcate
absolutely.
beings like male and female. We do, but
we do, unfortunately.
Unfortunately,
we do. Yes.
Okay. So, how do you look at your journey? I mean, it has been successful.
Sure,
in its own way, because you carried it forward very subtly. You never lost your way through. You stumbled, you got up, and you moved forward. How do you look at it? It's such an engaging journey and worth sending messages to the youth.
Yes. Thank you for your kind words, ma'am.
I must
thank you first for the
because I've seen you go through everything, and we've spoken a lot.
Sure, absolutely. I mean, ma'am, like everybody else, I think it's been a journey of ups and downs, highs and lows, so many successes and learnings, and so many failures, and even more learnings. I think with the failures, I think the failures teach you more. I think failure is our biggest teacher, but I don't hold too many regrets, ma'am. I would love to say I have no regrets whatsoever, because I'm sitting here in front of you, and I'm here and positive about life, and here talking to you about a release, so I want to hold no regrets, because it has made me the man I am today. But yes, it's been one hell of a journey, ma'am. It's been one hell of a journey, and I'm still learning so much, and still learning so much about myself, and the business, and the craft, and it's constant learning, ma'am. Constant learning, but
learning is a never-ending process.
Absolutely, and I'm so grateful, ma'am. I'm extremely grateful to be working, to be an actor, to have. As you said, I lost my way in between, and I wasn't working, and people were wary of working with me. But I'm extremely grateful that people are accepting me with open arms.
Exactly. That's because you have inherited the quality of performances. The talent is within you. It's an inherent quality. And then you excelled in it. Whatever role you did, you left an undying impression.
Thank you.
And the people, we walked away with the memories,
very
even be it the Darbar.
Ji. Ji.
We just walked away. Wow, he's done something different.
So actually, sir called me AR sir. AR Murgudos.
So he was the director. Little guy. He's coming back for this thing.
Ma'am, I'm in the film.
Which film?
I'm in Salman sir's film.
Yes, I was coming to you.
So AR sir called me, and he was like, I loved working with you. You're so easy to work with.
Yes,
so I want to work with you again. So I'm like, yaar, kuch to sahi kiya maine mere zindagi mein. So we also doing Sikandar now.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about. Don't be tight-lipped.
I won't.
It's coming in 20.
It's coming in 2020. We shot the first schedule. Yes, 2025 Eid. I am one of the villains.
He's back with his Eid release.
Absolutely, Eid release. Dhoom dhamaka, बहुत बड़ा Eid का Eid पे. We've shot एक schedule shoot किया मैम, और बहुत मजा आया, बहुत nervous था. I mean, it's the superstar, megastar Salman Khan.
This is the first time you're working.
First time I'm working with him. Of course, he's close to the family. And
he's cool guy.
Very cool, ma'am. Very cool, and been so supportive throughout my career. Early in my career. बहुत मजा आया मैम. बहुत मजा आया. Action scenes थे थोड़े बहुत हमारे.
Oh, you're also doing action. What are you playing?
I'm one of the villains. I'm actually one of the negatives.
Oh wow!
One of the lead
I can just visualize you as a villain, because you look such a grown-up man, full-fledged man.
Yes, ma'am.
So you look so nice on the screen, like it is a full-fledged villain as to what?
Full-fledged.
Oh wow! For the first time, you
quite the face-off. टक्कर है सलमान सर के साथ. हाँ.
You must have given a good टक्कर.
I mean अभी वो वाले scenes बाकी हैं जहाँ पे पूरी टक्कर होती है, face-off होता है.
Okay.
But शुरू तो हो गया. मजा आया. I was very intimidated. But Salman sir was very very sweet. He knew I was nervous, तो आके थोड़े से prank प्रैंक किए मेरे ऊपर, फिर एक दूसरे थोड़ा लाइटन किया, मूड लाइटन किया। फिर
what do you have to say about Murugadas? You know, we were so shocked to look at him, such a short,
He's-
puny little guy,
yes,
but
yes.
so intelligent when we talk to him, you
Oh,
know.
yes,
He's
yes,
so
yes.
intelligent. What do you have to say if you would like to give one word or one sentence about that intelligent little
छोटा
director?
पैकेज बड़ा
Bada
धमाका।
Dhamaka. I know, so nice. And what are the other films you're doing?
Ma'am, I am doing, I have 3 films ready for release. One is with Shabana ji.
Oh, she's like your mother, you told me, remember?
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Yes, she's like my mother, absolutely. Shabana ji के साथ एक फिल्म है. It's a sort of art house, Hindi English film. Vikas Khanna director है.
I know.
Michelin star chef.
Yeah.
It's called Imaginary Rain. वो फिर वो इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द आएगी. I have a film with Taapsee and Pratik Gandhi. It's called वो लड़की है कहाँ.
हाँ, you spoke to me last time.
वो भी है.
You're playing a husband, that
Correct.
henpecked husband.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm playing the yes man.
Yes man, you told me. I don't forget things easily.
Correct. You know, amazing memory, man. Amazing. Wow, क्या बात.
Yeah. So when is that releasing?
We're waiting.
It took
man.
some time.
Waiting. हम waiting कर रहे हैं अभी.
I hope no hiccups.
But I believe lots of people are in the wait, man. बहुतों की फिल्म 3-3 4-4 रिलीज होके रेडी होके
रखी हुई है, मतलब
रिलीज रेडी होके बैठी. और जियो स्पेशली आई बिलीव कुछ तो पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. जियो का पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. होपफुली विल कम. और एक और फिल्म है मैम, शाओनी गुप्ता और कुबरा सेठ के साथ है.
अच्छा. ये
फिल्म का नाम है ख्वाबों का झमेला. ख्वाबों का झमेला is a very cute quirky rom-com.
Okay, coming to your dressing style, you know.
जी.
I mean, from the earlier times, you're such a different dressing style.
Yes.
So you're hyping up yourself according to this
to the new
social. Yeah.
And the new generation. Yes, ma'am.
You have to.
Aren't we all?
Yeah.
Aren't we all? We have to get with the program. नहीं तो program हमें पीछे छोड़ देगा. हम program पे नहीं आ जाए तो program हमें पीछे छोड़ देगा. No, but
so how do you look at this transformation? You know.
It's quite something, man.
Yeah.
It's quite.
Do you like it? Sometimes you may be feeling, क्या यार अब उठ के तैयार हो, because you are that natural kind of an upbringing you got.
Absolutely, ma'am.
How do you look at
आपने
that
बहुत सही
styling?
पकड़ा है. आपने बहुत सही पकड़ा. I'm actually it does get a bit overwhelming if you ask me honestly कि अच्छा ये सब भी पहले तो ठीक है चलो कैरेक्टर में घुस के वो कैरेक्टर वो जीना है कुछ महीनों के लिए. और फिर ये भी है भाई.
I know.
ये भी है.
Yeah.
इसको हायर करो, स्टाइलिस्ट हायर करो.
I know. You pay them.
पापराची को पैसे देने हैं, इसको पैसे देने, उसको पैसे देने. अच्छा यहाँ हम यहाँ आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पहुंच जाओ. मैम
पहले पहुंच के क्या बोलते, अच्छा तू कैसे आया, किसने बताया.
हाँ, एक्टिंग वहीं पे भी एक्टिंग करो. और वहाँ एक्टिंग के पैसे मिलते नहीं. It's quite something, ma'am. It's quite something. लेकिन जब हम पहले शुरुआत हुई थी मैम, मैं जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं मतलब.
No, but you started
we
early,
started,
but you were not like
2000,
very this thing in
2008, 2010.
Yes, yeah.
तब तो ये पेड पेपराजी कल्चर नहीं था. और ये
some of our
stylists
inside, silently we used to come to.
बहुत silently था. और बहुत ही it was very nonchalant. आए गए, इंटरव्यूज गए, आए, इवेंट हुआ, चले गए. तो इतना हाइप बढ़ गया. Everything is so hyped.
Yeah.
But it's you have to get with the program. You have to adapt, ma'am.
But don't you think too much of everything has lost that kind of a music, magic? Sorry.
Magic गया है.
That magic, you know.
Mystique गया है. Magic गया है.
Yeah.
Charm गया है.
Charm.
इतने
Every time you have to be on this thing.
Social media.
Are you there on the social media?
I am because I mean.
You can't help it.
I can't help it. Also, I struggle. This is something I'm being very honest about, ma'am.
Yeah.
I struggle with social media. मैं बहुत ही कैसे समझूं मैं? I'm very private person. I like to keep to my own. तो मैं काफी स्ट्रगल करता हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे क्योंकि बहुत लोग रोज पोस्ट करते हैं और ये लोग कर वो लोग कर, मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मैं वहां जा रहा हूँ. मुझे वो आई थिंक वो एक वो लाइंस ब्लर होना अभी भी बाकी है. वो अभी बाकी है, अभी हुए नहीं. Hopefully I will.
It's good.
Yes,
you have to be with the go along with the trend.
Absolutely,
You can't
absolutely.
be away from that.
Ji,
That is it. So how about your status? What's happening
Ma'am,
in your life?
engaged.
Personal? Yeah, that is the last thing we know.
Engaged to my.
Last time I met you, you wanted to yell from the rooftop the name.
Yes.
You remember?
Now
This is good that you don't.
Now I can.
Go.
Now I can. Priya. No, but I'm yes, engaged to the love of my life, engaged to the woman of my dreams. बोलते हैं ना बहुतों को kiss many frogs before you see the prince or princess. So I think
it's also destiny.
Destiny.
Coming back to that art film you are doing with Shabana, I mean, like how Shabana and Smita used to keep doing those films, no? Mirchi, the other film. So how do you look at this? You and she in the same frame.
Surreal.
You're representing your mom there.
Yes.
What do you have to say?
Surreal, ma'am. It was
surreal.
I think
that must be a wish from above.
It was really something. I really felt it was inevitable at some point. हम काम करने ही वाले थे, लेकिन ऐसे इतने जल्दी और इतने प्यार से और आराम से मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. And absolutely, ma'am, it was also and it's a normal thing. It's a normal thing कि मेरे जनरेशन के फिल्म फैमिली के बच्चे सीनियर एक्टर्स के साथ काम करते हैं, बहुत काम करते हैं. इट्स अ नॉर्मल थिंग. शबाना जी आलिया के साथ काम करते हैं. But I think for me it was a little more special.
Very emotional.
Very emotional.
What was the first day like? You've shot.
Yes.
What was the first day like? You must have.
I was extremely.
How emotional.
I think we both cried, ma'am.
Yeah, I know.
Shabana ji and I both cried. We both hugged each other, and it was a very special moment, ma'am. I hold that moment very close to my heart, actually. वो भी मुझे बेटा ही मानते हैं. और मुझे जब और मुझे वो ना वो प्यार दिखता है उनकी आंखों में. वो देखते हैं मुझे, वो देखते हैं मुझे मेरा फेस. When she caresses my face and she says, I feel the love from Shabana ji. लेकिन वो बहुत ही special film है.
Special film. Yeah. Okay, lastly, how do you look at yourself, especially on personal level, as a kid? I mean, you're literally grown. Those were the days when once upon a time you had, removed the surname also.
Yes.
From there to now. And now being so close,
Yes.
It's so good.
Yes.
I mean, you have grown up. And how do you look at this
yes, ma'am,
thing, I mean, life...
actually, when I look back at it,
and now you're very close to him.
Yes, but my heart goes out to myself. I was really going through some trauma my entire life, and my heart really goes out to myself. The fact that I had all those thoughts, and I felt all those feelings, and I had all those emotions about my father and my mother, and so yes, I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself for making the effort and for establishing that relationship and forming that bond, even with all the complications I grew up with and thought. And when I look back at that guy, ma'am, I'm like, यार ये बंदा यार गुस्से में था, वो दुख था, वो नफरत, दुख, और it was but I'm very grateful for this.
I know, because now you're grown up, so you understand.
Yes, absolutely.
It's all destiny.
100% destiny, I think.
The love and that is always there,
100%.
Your father and son,
absolutely.
And all that. It's there.
Absolutely.
Okay. Let's bygone be bygones.
Yes.
Lastly, anything you would to say on the concluding note?
Just to watch the film, please support करती जाइए हमारे हमारे projects को. Just to the fans, I have a message to the fans. Please keep supporting and keep following my journey
and learn from my journey.
And please do, yes, if you do take an inspiration, I'm glad that I could be an inspiration to your journey. But please continue to show love एंड बेइंतहा
बेइंतहा।
देखिएगा। आज रिलीज हो रही है। इट्स अ म्यूजिकल शॉर्ट फिल्म ऑन टिप्स ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल स्टारिंग माई सेल्फ एंड अली अब्रम। एंड ये तेरे दर पे सनम का रीमास्टर्ड रीमेक है, देव नेगी और नीति मोहन के आवाज़ में। नया कॉम्पोजिशन है और ये नया ट्विस्ट है, फ्यूजन है, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत गाना है। एंड आई होप एवरीवन एंजॉयज इट। सी यू सून। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Nice talking to you as usual.
Pleasure as always, man.
Thank
Pleasure
you.
as